Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 super simple Father's Day DIY gift ideas. Number 1. Take a wooden frame and stones from Dollar Tree or your backyard and a super glue. Just glue all the stones to the frame, which gives you the nice look. Like we can give that to our father saying it's a DIY stone frame, photo frame. So it just cost me like $3 for all 3 of them, and I got the wooden frame in Walmart for 99 cents and stones from the Dollar Tree, and super glue is also from the Dollar Tree. This is a super cool gift. Your father would love it. So coming to the second DIY, this is an inspiration from another YouTuber. So for this project, all we need is 2 boxes of tumbling tower and a super glue. You can find both of them in Dollar Tree. So for the bottom of the box, we need 2 sets of 11. I'm just doing the alternate color, cream and brown. You can do whatever you like. You can do all cream, all brown. The box has 2 colors. So apply some glue to the sides and stick them together. You have to make 2 sets of 11. So for the sides of the box, I created sets of 3. So for the bottom of the box, it's 11. So in total, I created 12 sets of 3 and 2 sets of 11. To assemble the box together, glue 2 sets of 11 together, just the way I'm doing. So for the sides of the box, I'm gluing 1 set in vertical and 1 set in horizontal. So I glued 4 sets for the sides and 2 sets for the ends. This box is a super cute and super gift for your dad. They can put their wallets, keys, pens, glasses and everything, whatever they want. This is so nice. Coming to the third DIY. So here I'm taking a wooden board and 4 pebbles, the stones which are left from the first DIY. I bought this wooden board from the Walmart for 79 cents, I think, and we need a super glue. Pebble size one should be bigger and the other should be small, so that it gives that look. So I'm gluing the bigger one first, and then I'm gluing the second one on the top. This is like a father, and the second one is the child. You have to do it in the same way. Now with the acrylic paint, I'm just giving it a look like eyes, hands and feet and legs. With the same paint on the top, I'm writing Daddy You Rock. You can write whatever you like. Now I'm taking a red acrylic paint and to the right I'm writing I love you. This is a super cute gift again. And here comes the final one. I bought this candle holder from Dollar Tree and this succulent plant from Dollar Tree. It's a plastic one. So in this I'm adding some potting soil. Even this is from Dollar Tree. Here you don't have to add potting soil. I just added potting soil for that real look. Now take a paper and cut a small paper out of it, and you can write Happy Father's Day or Love You Dad or anything else. Stick it to a toothpick and place it in the pot. This is the cutest DIY for wishing your father. Hope you like this super simple DIY ideas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys next Wednesday. Till then, bye.